Hello there, boys and girls. Today I've got to do this. It's a Subaru. I think it actually comes off a Forester. Yeah, it's a Forester, but they do fit the. So we've got Forester, Impreza, Legacy. What else we got? Outback. And I've got a funny feeling there's like an American-Australian model, and it's a Tribeca. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, back to the key. Right, so I'll show you how to do this. Take this to bits. There's a little screw on the front there. If you could just undo that. This is where you need a bit of nails, because they're very awkward, as you can see. Can you see that there? It is tiny, but don't lose it. So put it to one side. Anyway, basically then you have got, pull that cover up and you'll open. Okay, so on the blade side you'll have a battery there. Okay, don't know what number it is in case you're looking for a replacement, so let's have a look for you. So we have got a CR1620, which is quite a common battery in these keys. So we just push that back in there like that, yeah? Put that to one side. Right, this is where all the action is. That there is one side of the chipboard, known as a PCB. If you pull that out, it just leaves a shell. Put that to one side. So you're left with PCB inside a plastic cover, which is your buttons. Pull that out. Try not to touch it too much because it. Right. There's the side that does all the work. Down the bottom here, you've got your buttons. Okay. So what I do is just put my nail on it. Just make sure they've got a nice click to them, which they have. Okay. Well, you can see that nice and close up there. It's difficult to get in focus for you. And on the other side, there's some magic numbers on there for you. And then there's a terminal that touches the battery. Okay, so put it back together. Make sure your buttons, which are, don't drop it, which are here at the top, go on these little bits here. Okay, so push that back in. Make sure the cover is up around the side so it sits like that, yeah? Simply push that back into there. Make sure it's all pretty level all the way around, otherwise it won't work. And your buttons are there. Okay, get your other cover. Right, what you might notice is here, that's a hook just in there, and it needs to hook inside of here. So when you put it back together like that, you'll feel it hook in like that, and then you can shutter. All right, and you'll feel it all right. A little screw back in. She is fiddly, so be careful with her. So there you go, that's how you take it to bits, that's how you put the battery back in. You need to do any maintenance on it, replace a button. Sometimes the connectors come loose inside of them, but generally they're a pretty solid key. Right, I'll love and leave you and I'll let you get on. See you in a bit.